Good day to all. In this session, I will be discussing about fixation of stock level, introduction, meaning, and formulas to compute different types of stock levels. And I will also be working out certain simple problems relating to computation of stock levels. Now, what do you mean by fixation of stock level? Material control aims at providing enough materials to the production activities without any delay and stoppage of production activities. It also aims at keeping the investment in inventory at the lowest possible level. Now, there are different types of stock levels. Let us first discuss about the maximum stock level. Now, what do you mean by maximum stock level? In simple, we say that it is the upper limit in stock above which the stock is not allowed to rise under normal circumstances without the prior sanction of the management. This level is fixed to avoid the evil consequences of overstocking. Let us learn the formula to compute maximum stock level. The formula states that reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery time, or alternatively reorder level plus EOQ minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. The next type of stock level is the minimum stock level. It means it is the lower limit of stock below which the actual stock of any item of material should not normally be allowed to fall. Or in simple, we say it is the minimum quantity of stock to be carried out all times. Materials are normally not issued from minimum stock for regular production activities. Hence, this level is also known as safety stock or buffer stock. Now, how do we compute the minimum stock level? Okay, the formula to compute minimum stock level is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal delivery time. Now, please keep in mind the term consumption is also known as usage. The term normal delivery time is also known as normal reorder period. In order to calculate the average reorder period, we use the formula minimum reorder period plus maximum reorder period divided by 2. The next type of stock level, which is required in order to calculate the minimum as well as maximum stock level, is reorder level, which is also known as ordering level. In simple, we say reorder level is that level of stock at which purchase orders are to be placed for its fresh supplies. What is the formula to compute reorder level? The formula states maximum consumption into maximum delivery time, or minimum consumption plus average consumption into average or normal delivery time. The next type of stock level is danger level. It is the level below minimum level where the firm has to take quick measures for getting fresh supplies. The formula to compute danger level is average consumption into emergency delivery period. The last type of stock level which we are going to discuss in this session is average stock level. The formula to compute average stock level is maximum level plus minimum level divided by 2, or alternatively, it is calculated by using the formula minimum level plus half of reorder quantity. Now, after studying the formulas to compute minimum, maximum stock levels, reorder level, danger level, and average stock level, let me solve a few simple problems relating to computation of stock levels. The first problem: calculate the maximum level of stock from the following particulars. Ordering quantity given 800 units, normal consumption 20 units per week, maximum consumption 30 units per week, minimum consumption 10 units per week, delivery period is given minimum 20 weeks, normal 25 weeks, maximum 30 weeks. First, let us recall the formula to compute maximum stock level. The formula to compute maximum stock level is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery time. Let's look into the data given in the problem once again. In order to compute maximum stock level, we know that we require reorder level, reorder quantity, minimum consumption, and minimum delivery time. Reorder quantity is given 800 units. Minimum consumption is given 10 units. Minimum delivery time is given 20 weeks. So in this particular problem, let us first calculate the reorder level. Now the formula to calculate reorder level is equal to maximum usage into maximum reorder period. And I substitute the values to the formula. Maximum usage is given in the problem 30 units into maximum reorder period given is 30 weeks. So therefore, the reorder level is 900 units. Let's further proceed and compute the maximum stock level. The formula to calculate maximum stock level, reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery time. In the first step, you observe that we have already computed reorder level, that's 900 units, plus reorder quantity given in problem 800 units minus minimum consumption 10 units into minimum delivery time is given to be 20 weeks. 900 plus 800, 1700 units minus 200. So therefore, the maximum stock level 1500 units. The second problem. Using the following information, calculate maximum, minimum, and reorder levels. The data given is normal usage 50 per week, minimum usage 25 per week, maximum usage 75 per week, reorder quantity 300 units, reorder period is 4 to 6 weeks. In order to calculate the stock levels, we require the reorder level. So therefore, let's first calculate the reorder level. Reorder level is equal to maximum usage into maximum delivery time or maximum reorder period. It's clearly given in the problem. Maximum usage is 75 units into maximum reorder period. Now please note in the problem reorder period is given 4 to 6 weeks. So 4 is the minimum reorder period. 6 is the maximum reorder period. So 75 into 6 weeks, the reorder level is 450 units. The next one, let's calculate the minimum stock level. As we have learned, the formula to compute minimum stock level is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now reorder level we have already calculated in the level 1, that is 450 units minus normal consumption is given in the problem 50 units into normal reorder period. Now normal reorder period is not given, so we calculate it using the formula minimum reorder period plus maximum reorder period divided by 2. Minimum is 4 weeks, maximum is 6 weeks. 4 plus 6 divided by 2. So the normal reorder period is 5 weeks. So when you substitute it to the formula to compute minimum level, you get it as 450 units minus 50 units into 5 weeks. So 450 minus 250 comes up to 200 units. The last one is calculation of maximum stock level. You know the formula to calculate maximum stock level is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery time. Reorder level we have calculated in step 1, 450 units plus reorder quantity is given in the problem 300 units minus minimum consumption is given in the problem 25 units into minimum delivery time is also given to be 4 weeks. When you substitute the values to the formula, you get the maximum stock level to be 650 units. And the last problem with regard to computation of stock level is, from the following information, calculate reorder level, maximum stock level, minimum stock level, average stock level. Data given is time required for delivery 2 to 4 months. Now please keep in mind this is a reorder period. 2 is the minimum, 4 is the maximum. If you would like to know the average time required for delivery is 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Maximum consumption is given 9,000 units per month. Normal consumption is given 600 units per month. Minimum consumption is given 3,000 units per month. Reorder quantity is given 36,000 units. Now we have been asked to compute reorder stock level. Now let's first proceed to the computation of reorder level. The formula to compute reorder level is maximum usage into maximum reorder period. Maximum usage is given 9,000 units into maximum reorder period is 4 months. 9,000 into 4, reorder level is 36,000 units. Next, let's compute the minimum stock level. Formula reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now please be careful, reorder level is already been calculated in step 1 minus normal consumption given in the problem 6,000 units into normal reorder period. As I've told you in the beginning, time required for delivery is given 2 to 4 months. Therefore, based upon the information given, we will calculate the normal reorder period to be 2 months plus 4 months divided by 2. So, the normal reorder period is 3 months. So, I substitute the values to the formula reorder level 36,000 units minus normal consumption 6,000 units into 3. Therefore, the minimum stock level, the firm has to maintain minimum of 18,000 units in stock. Next, let's compute the maximum stock level. Formula reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum delivery time. Reorder level we have already computed 36,000 units plus reorder quantity given in the problem 36,000 units minus minimum consumption given 3,000 units into minimum delivery time is 2 months. 36,000 plus 36,000 minus 6,000 units. So maximum stock level is 66,000 units. We have been also asked to compute the average stock level. The formula to compute average stock level is minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Already we have calculated the minimum stock level is 18,000. The maximum stock level is 66,000. 18,000 plus 66,000 divided by 2 comes up to 42,000 units. With this, I conclude my session.